do this wrong.
I don't know. Give me the plate, babe. Libriana, Michaela, back at it again with another video.
You already started it?
Yeah. You want to restart?
No, you can't just keep doing it, but I need to go back more. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh yeah. Hi. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Sorry, babe. And then baby got mashed potatoes.
What's up, guys? Michaela back with another video. The baby's eating mashed potatoes. We got shrimp.
I didn't put no corn, so don't eat all the corn, you guys.
We got potatoes. And we cut up some corn. And eggs.
Come, Baba. Oh, it was good? It was good?
We got garlic sauce with onions. Ooh!
He ate the other one, right?
Papa Smurf would love his mashed potatoes. It tastes good? Yummy? Yummy mashed potatoes? Hi. So y'all, Devon's not even really in the video.
I look rough. Babe, get in the video.
Shrimp, potato, eggs, seafood, mukbang. Yum.
What you want to talk about in the video?
We can talk about anything.
Like what?
Uh-oh.
I think it's that it's still like you can still smell it. You eat it, but like, is it hot? No, it's not hot.
Probably like
I got baby
Why you
food
put
too, so I
sour-
can still give him baby food.
sour cream in it.
Because the potatoes were kind of like.
This sauce tastes different from the last one.
You think so? Is it not good?
And it was good, but like it just tastes different. It's more spicier.
Yeah, I put paprika. I mean, I put chili powder on accident.
On accident?
Yeah.
What you mean on accident? He said, I want some shrimp.
Hey, Papa. No, don't touch.
Literally?
Look at his face when he eats it. He's
I'm
like,
so hungry, I'm not even talking to y'all. I'm sorry.
he always makes that face when he eats. Did you spit it out? No, you didn't spit it out. Is it good, babe?
So how was y'all day today?
Look at my egg.
How was y'all day?
They can't answer right now. Oh, my God?
I'm talking to all y'all.
Oh,
Who you think I'm talking to?
I didn't know. My day was pretty good. It was kind of busy.
My day was really good, but I feel like people get on my motherfucking nerves.
Yeah.
People do be getting on my nerves.
Oh, it is a little bit different.
You know how you know when somebody's talking about you?
Yeah.
And they act like they not talking about you? But you know they talking about you.
Did.
Because when you walk up on them, they be quiet.
Did.
Bitch, don't play fake.
Did.
Literally. That's how my day went.
Oof.
LeBron, I didn't even eat my corn yet. There's corn in my back.
Papa.
back
Oh,
part.
sorry, Papa. Sorry. He grabbing me.
He said, Mama, I want some of my potatoes.
Aww.
What's wrong?
I think he's tired. I think he said, I'm tired of these motherfucking potatoes. I'm tired of these potatoes.
Literally?
What you want, though? You want daddy? You want mommy?
This shit is spicy. I can't believe you accidentally put chili powder.
Yeah, I didn't mean to.
How you accidentally put chili powder?
He's tired. Give me a
He
nap
is
today.
tired. He look like he want to get out there. He want to
do.
get out of it. What?
He do want to get out. Okay,
He may take a bath and go to sleep.
I know. I know. I know.
It's so good.
You gonna go in your walker?
Peep Libriana a whole mom out here. Like, she really got a child. I still look at her and I be confused.
Yeah.
I really be confused. Since I got lame, bitch. She got lame.
Yeah, he watching TV now. I want to give him that little card thingy that make him zoom.
Man, come in closer now.
But you just ran over my toe.
I'm sorry.
I want some more corn.
I should have got a lot of sauce like you, but this shit is spicy. Look at, I got a bunch of shrimp and this shrimp is still sitting. It's okay. I don't got no bra on either.
There.
This is the last corn I'm taking forever to eat.
Proud of him. You watching the show?
Literally, the baby turns 6 months in like 2 weeks, right?
No, a week.
A week.
His party's next week.
And
Oh my god, you should do a video for his party.
he's growing up like so big and it's just crazy. And like he's already like semi-crawling.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh my god. And then when you hold him, he think he grown as fuck. Like, tell me how he tried to jump out your hands. And it's like, okay, jump. Where you going? And I always look at him and be like, where you going?
Oh yeah, me too. You feel how hot this is? Right here?
Where?
Right here, like, oh, you can't. Are those my leggings?
No, these my leggings.
Oh.
They're actually grandma leggings.
Babe, why you not talking? It's good. I keep asking you that.
Y'all want to know what's in this cup? Only for adults though. Literally, my nose is running.
My hair looks too like this.
Huh?
My hair.
You didn't hear what I said when you walked through? I said, sis got length. I said, sis got length.
Hang time. No.
Sis got length.
Hang time.
It's a little bit of shrinkage, but baby, when you put that straightener to it, it's gonna be like,
Anyways. Bitch, my nose is running. And I want some more sauce because look at my sauce is gone. I got onions now.
oh my god. But literally, today was just a headache.
Babe, why are you not talking?
I really had a fucking headache.
Huh? You talking now?
LeBron. I mean, whore. LeBron didn't want to tell you this, but LeBron is pregnant. I'm being serious. Like, I'm not playing around. This LeBron is pregnant.
How do you feel about that?
No, hold on. I'm being so serious. You think I'm playing around with LeBron is
What?
pregnant.
On Saturday?
Your sister woke me up in the middle of the night, excited, jumping around with something for the first time.
What?
I'm telling you, well, I guess she didn't want the second baby, but she pregnant, child. We took a pregnancy test, going about to go look. LeBron is pregnant. Now, what if she's pregnant with twins?
I want some more sauce.
What you gonna do?
Yeah, babe.
Huh? where you moving to? Where you moving to? You running away?
You said you went away?
You running away?
Oh, really? Look at Papa. He did not want to eat those potatoes.
I'm being serious. She's pregnant.
He says he's gonna
Oh,
run
I'm
away.
being so serious. Like, I don't even joke around.
I'm gonna kill
LeBron
him.
LeBron is pregnant. LeBron is pregnant. I'm being so serious.
I said it with a straight face.
Babe, why you gotta prove that? She excited.
LeBron is pregnant.
The fuck? Babe, was it good? He don't believe us. He'll see. He'll see.
He the one that got me laughing. You'll see when 9 months that baby drop.
I'm dead, baby girl Hall.
Chop, she gonna have triplets on your ass. Baby, who's trying to go to the TV?
I know he moved.
Well, that didn't go well.
But
That didn't go well. Yeah.
what?
Oh, shit. That didn't go well.
Damn.
That did not go well. Why didn't you even go along with it? You really didn't even go along with it.
Bitch, yes I did.
Not really.
Okay, whatever.
And you didn't tell me you was excited. You didn't tell me you woke up excited when you found out you was pregnant.
Wait a minute.
You never told.
Wait, what
Bitch,
was he talking
let
about?
me fucking tell you how when LeBron. This is how I found LeBron was fucking pregnant. It's story time. We was at Benihana's for LeBron's 21st birthday. Minding you, me and LeBron when we were younger, we used to go party. You know, being little. Not thoughts, but we just used to go drink with our friends, So literally, I'm like, okay, LeBron could buy her first drink. Why is LeBron not at like Benihana's? Why is LeBron not drinking?
I got a drink.
And I'm over here saying, LeBron, you're 21. Why are you not drinking? And I just keep fucking with her. And then
The whole party.
literally the whole time I just kept messing with her. So then for some reason she was like, she gotta go to the bathroom. So she takes me to the bathroom. She pulls out her phone and she shows me this motherfucking ultrasound. Minding you, my slow ass don't even think you can get ultrasounds on the phone. So my brain ain't even fucking going through it. It ain't going right.
I showed her a Snapchat. No, I showed you I think it was in my purse.
It was an ultrasound on your phone that the doctor sent you.
Sent me.
Okay, the doctor
And then
sent her ultrasound.
I showed you the video to prove you.
The doctor sent an ultrasound. So I'm thinking she's really fucking with me because I'm like, okay, how the fuck she got an ultrasound on her phone like that? But
my doctor,
it's high tech shit.
My doctor in Miami, when I would get my ultrasounds, he would do like he'll take a bunch of pictures, and he'll print out 3, and I get to keep the 3, but the rest of the pictures he'll send me it through an email, and I can save which ones I want. And Michaela didn't believe me because I saved. The baby was like he was so small though, so it's like I saved him though because I like that stuff.
And the thing about it is, it was really shocking because I was like, what the fuck, like, she's like been wanting the baby.
Not really, but like I love kids.
But I didn't know she was gonna be pregnant on her 21st birthday.
Me either.
I really expected us to get drunk and have a good time. But we had a good time, but she was pregnant.
The reason why I found out I was pregnant is because I went out.
Oh my god, because I asked when drinking the day before.
Yeah. I went drinking the day before with my boyfriend's co-workers. And we got, I was taking shots after shots after shots. And normally when I would get drunk, I would eat before, which I did. I had pizza and wings, so it was, pizza's like bread, so it's gonna suck up all the alcohol. It didn't.
I need more sauce. You see, I feel like you put a lot of onions in it, so it like sucked up all the sauce. Oh, you just put more sauce.
Probably.
But yeah, like, moral of the story, I was fucking surprised. I was shocked. Because first of all, she didn't want nobody to know.
Yeah.
She wanted to do like this little big reveal for my grandma because it was gonna be my grandma's first great grand. God rest the dead.
Well, it's her first great grand still, but
yeah, God rest the dead.
Yeah.
But it was just really, I was really shocked because like I didn't think she was gonna have a baby anytime soon. But then little Libriana, she was gonna have a baby soon.
No.
But literally, it was a blessing. And then now she got a badass child. His name is Rashawn Khalil.
Don't say his last name.
I know, I ain't gonna say his last name. Because I'm gonna be famous one day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be real famous. But, yeah. And he's really cute.
I believe that you'll do good on YouTube if you just keep it up.
You hear him in the background? He's just so
He's
cute.
laughing at his daddy.
He's so adorable.
My son's father, aka my boyfriend, they both have the same name. He's a junior.
My sauce all gone. It's so
just
much. It's just so much
onion.
onions in it.
I should never gave you onions. I love onions.
She just gave me so much onions.
I love onions.
And I'm full. And I still got, oh shit.
Good.
I got more.
They don't take them to work.
Alright. I don't do TikTok, but the Glow Twins do this. This is the TikTok bites.
You so ratchet.
Let me do another one.
Are you talking, Papa? Ew! Ew! What the? Bitch, what?
Bye, guys.